Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are celebrating Easter and we're having 4-course meal, spring salad, carrot and ginger soup, leg of lamb with roasted vegetables, and of course traditional holiday cookie, the maamoul. Picked some carrot from my garden. I can't wait to start cooking with it. So let's get started. So here I have boneless 6-pound leg of lamb. For the marination, I'm gonna be using garlic, butter, rosemary, thyme, oregano, salt and pepper, and olive oil. For the vegetables, I'm using potato, asparagus, carrot, and mushroom. So now I'm poking holes all around the lamb for the spices to sink in. Put it all over the first side. Make sure to cover everything, and then flip it and do the same thing to the other side. So I'm adding some garlic to it because I like garlic. It gives it a good taste. And then I'm placing it on my Dutch oven. So after 2 minutes, just flip it and you see the color. It's golden brown. That's what you want. Leave it another 2 minutes for the other side. Put all the herbs you want, cover it, and put it in the oven. So for the carrot soup, I already added the avocado oil. Now 4 cups of chopped carrots, the ginger, the potato, veggie broth. Cook them until they are very soft, and then use any blender you have to make them silky and creamy. For the spring salad, all what we need: mixed greens, balsamic Dijon dressing, mozzarella balls, and slice of fresh peaches, walnuts. That's all what you need. So this is our Easter dinner. Thank you for watching me, and please let me know what you are going to make for Easter dinner in the comment below. Thank you, Chef Anaya, for helping me today. Happy Easter.